Hi, welcome to Narayana online digital classes. My name is Ramesh and I am mathematics lecturer. Today I am going to discuss some questions on AOD. Let us go to first one. So, the first question is, if x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2 are points of extrema of f of x is equal to alpha log mod x plus beta x square plus x, then which of the following is correct? So, option A, alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 1, and option B, alpha is equal to and beta is equal to 1 by 2, and option C is alpha is equal to minus 6 and beta is equal to 1 by 2, and option D is alpha is equal to minus 6 and beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, here given question is f of x is equal to alpha log mod x plus beta x square plus x. We know that mod x changes its nature at x is greater than 0 and x is less than 0. In case 1, if x is less than 0, that is the case 1. If x is less than 0, then we know that mod x is minus x. Mod x is minus x. Then f of x is equal to alpha log of minus x plus beta x square plus x. This is f of x whenever x less than 0. Then f dash x is minus alpha by minus x plus 2 beta x plus 1. Now, when case 2, if x greater than 0. If x greater than 0, then log of mod x is log x only plus beta x square plus x. Now, f dash x is alpha by x plus 2 beta x plus 1. In any case, f dash x is alpha by x plus 2 beta x plus 1. But here given that x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to are extreme points. That means minus 1 and 1 both are roots of f dash x is equal to 0. If you substitute x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2 in this equation, that is equal to 0, we will get f of minus 1 is equal to minus alpha minus 2 beta plus 1 is equal to 0, and f dash 2 is alpha by 2 plus 4 beta plus 1 is equal to 0. So, multiply first equation by 2, then this is 2 times of f dash minus 1 equal to minus 2 alpha minus 4 beta plus 2 equal to 0. So, if you add 1 and 2, then we will get alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, the values of alpha and beta are alpha is equal to and beta is equal to minus 2, then the correct answer is option A, because alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now, let us go to second question. So, second question is given that minimum distance between two curves y square is equal to x minus 1 and x square is equal to y minus 1. These are the two given curves. So, minimum distance between the curves y square is equal to x minus 1 and x square is equal to y minus 1 is equal to option A 3 root 2 by 4 units, and option B 5 root 2 by 4 units, and option C 7 root 2 by 4 units, and option D root 2 by 4 units. So, here if you observe this one, y square is equal to x minus 1 and x square is equal to y minus 1, one is image of other one with respect to y is equal to x. So, that is if we take this one, it is y is equal to x and y square is equal to x minus 1 and x square is equal to y minus 1. These are the two curves. It is y square is equal to x minus 1 and it is x square is equal to y minus 1, two curves, and we have to find minimum distance between these two curves. We know that minimum distance between two curves is along their common normal, that is always possible when along their common normal. So, along their common normal means here tangent to the curve at point should be parallel to y is equal to x. Suppose if I take this point is P and image of P with respect to y is equal to x is let it be Q, then the distance between P and Q is minimum distance between the y square is equal to x minus 1 and x square is equal to y minus 1. So, since here one curve is image of other one with respect to y is equal to x, means the slope of the tangent at P should be parallel to y is equal to x. So, slope of the tangent at P is given curve y square is equal to x minus 1. So, derivative is 2y into dy by dx is equal to 1. So, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y. So, this is the slope of the tangent at P, but slope of the tangent at P is parallel to y is equal to x, means slope at P is equal to 1 only. So, 1 by 2y is equal to 1. So, y is equal to 1 by 2. So, y is equal to 1 by 2. Y is equal to 1 by 2, if we substitute y is equal to 1 by 2 here, then x is equal to 5 by 4, 1 by 2 comma 5 by 4 is coordinates of P, and the coordinates of Q are, because it is image of 1 comma 2 5 by 4 with respect to y is equal to x, then it is 5 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Now, distance between P and Q, this is the minimum distance. So, distance between P and Q is square root of PQ is equal to square root of 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4 whole square, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square. So, this is equal to 9 by 16 plus 9 by 16 square root, which is equal to 3 root 2 by 4. So, 3 root 2 by 4 is the correct answer. So, option A is correct. Now, let us go to second question. So, P q is equal to 3 by root 2. So, now third question, f of x is equal to 3 x power 4 plus 4 x cube minus 12 x square plus 12, then f of x. Options are increasing in minus infinity to minus 2 union 0 to 1, and option B is increasing in minus 2 to 0 union 1 to infinity. Option D is decreasing in minus 2 to 0 union 0 to 1, and option D is decreasing in minus infinity to minus 2 and union 1 to infinity. So, here given equation is 3 x power 4 plus 4 x cube minus 12 x square plus 12. Now, to discuss the monotonicity, we have to find f dash x. Here f dash x is equal to 12 x cube plus 12 x square minus 24 x. So, if you find the factors of f dash x, the factors of f dash x are 0, 1, minus 2. So, f dash x is plus 12 x into x minus 1 into x plus 2. This is f dash x. So, we know that if f dash x greater than 0, then f of x is increasing. So, if f dash x is greater than 0, then f of x is increasing, and if f dash x is less than 0, then f of x is decreasing. So, this is 12 x into x minus 1 into x plus 2. If you find the intervals in which f dash x is greater than 0. So, f dash x is greater than 0, this is real line, and minus 2 is 1 root, and 1, 0 and 1. So, we know that in the interval f dash x is positive, here f dash x is negative, here f dash x is positive, here f dash x is negative. So, that means minus infinity to minus 2 union 0 to 1, minus infinity to minus 2 union 0 to 1, f of x is increasing. Minus infinity to minus 2 union 0 to 1, f of x is decreasing, because f dash x is negative, and minus 2 to 0 union 1 to infinity. In this one f of x is increasing. So, minus infinity to minus 2 union 0 to 1 f of x is decreasing, and minus 2 to 0 union 1 to infinity f of x is increasing. So, minus 2 to 0 and 1 to infinity, minus 2 to 0 union 1 to infinity f of x is increasing. So, option B correct. Now, the next question is f of x is equal to a minus x minus 3 whole power 8 by 9, then maximum value of f of x. F of x is equal to a minus x minus 3 whole power 8 by 9, then maximum value of f of x. Option A is 3, option B is a minus 3, and option C is a, and option D is none of this. So, if you observe this equation, this function, clearly it is symmetric about x is equal to 3. It is x is equal to 3, symmetric about x is equal to 3. The line is symmetric about x is equal to 3, and whenever x is greater than 3, at x is equal to 3, this value is a. When x is equal to 3, that value is a, and whenever x tends to infinity, this is tending to minus infinity. Whenever x tends to minus infinity, in that case also it tends to minus infinity. So, it is symmetric about x is equal to 3, and the maximum value of f attains at x is equal to 3. If you substitute x is equal to 3 in this equation, then f of 3 is equal to a only. So, maximum value of f of x is a. So, option C correct. So, maximum value of f of x is a. So, next question. The function x power 5 minus 5 x power 4 plus 5 x cube minus 1 is maximum at x is equal to 3 and minimum at x is equal to 1. The option B, minimum at x is equal to 1, and option C is neither maximum nor minimum at x is equal to 0, and option D is maximum at x is equal to 0. So, f of x is x power 5 minus 5 x power 4 plus 5 x cube minus 1. Find f dash x. F dash x is 5 x power 4 minus 20 x cube plus 15 x square. Let it is equal to 0. First find critical points. So, f dash x is equal to 0 is x square into factors of this one is x square into x minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0, but x is equal to 0 is the repeated root, means it is point of inflection, and this degree is 5th degree and that coefficient is positive. So, first it takes local maximum and then it takes local minimum. That means, at x is equal to 1 that is local maximum and at x is equal to 3 that is local minimum, or else if you find f double dash x, f double dash 3 greater than 0 and f double dash 1 less than 0. F double dash 1 less than 0 means f takes maximum value at x is equal to 1, and f dash 3 greater than 0 means f takes minimum value at x is equal to 3, and it is point of inflection, 0 is the point of inflection. So, f takes minimum value at x is equal to 3 and f takes maximum value at x is equal to 1, and at x is equal to 0 it is neither maximum nor minimum. So, here option neither maximum nor minimum at x is equal to 0, this is the correct option. Now, let us go to second question. The next one is f of x is equal to x by 1 plus mod x. This is the given function, f of x is equal to x by 1 plus mod x. Then options are option A strictly increasing and option B strictly decreasing and option C neither increasing nor decreasing and option D not differentiable at x is equal to 0. So, here modulus is given. So, f dash x is equal to f of x is equal to x by 1 minus x whenever x less than 0 is equal to 0 whenever x is equal to 0 is equal to x by 1 plus x whenever x greater than 0. This is f of x. So, f of x is equal to x by 1 minus x whenever x less than 0, 0 whenever x is equal to 0 and x by 1 plus x whenever x less than 0. If you find f dash x, then this is f dash x 1 by 1 plus mod x whole square, 1 by 1 plus mod x whole square, since it is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R, means f of x is increasing on R. So, it is defined domain of f of x is R and f dash x is greater than 0 for every x belongs to R. So, f of x is strictly increasing function. So, option A correct. Let us go to second question, next question. The abscissa of the points where the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 5 is parallel to the x axis is. So, that means the abscissa where the tangent is parallel to x axis. Option A x is equal to 0, option B x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1, and option C x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 3, and option D is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 3. So, here function x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 5, tangent is parallel to x axis. Tangent is parallel to x axis means dy by dx should be equal to 0. So, if you find dy by dx, it is f of x, y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 5 is equal to 0, and dy by dx is 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. So, that means x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 3 are roots of dy by dx is equal to 0. So, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 3, that means the tangent whose abscissa is either 1 or minus 3, if you draw the tangent that is parallel to x axis. So, option is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 3. So, option D correct, because dy by dx at x is equal to minus 1 is 0 and dy by dx at x is equal to 3 is also equal to 0. Now, let us go to next question. The set of values of b for which local extremum values of the function f of x are positive, where f of x is 2 by 3 a square x cube minus 5a by 2 x square plus 3x plus b. F of x is 2 by 3 a square x cube minus 5a by 2 x square plus 3x plus b, and maxima occurs at x is equal to 3. This is the given condition. Maximum occurs at x is equal to 1 by 3. Maximum occurs at x is equal to 1 by 3. So, here coefficient of x cube is a square into 2 by 3, which is greater than 0. So, first find f dash x. F dash x is 2 a square x square, that is derivative of 2 by 3 a square x cube, minus 5a by 2 x square, derivative is 5ax plus 3. So, the factors of f dash x is equal, factors of 2a square x square minus 5ax plus 3 is x is equal to 1 by a and x is equal to 3 by 2a. So, these are the factors of f dash x. We know that the maximum or minimum values occurs at critical points, and here 1 by a and 3 by 2a are critical points. So, if we take case 1, that is which is a greater than 0. If a greater than 0 and if a greater than 0, then 1 by a is less than 3 by 2a, and it is cubic equation. In cubic equation, if the coefficient of x cube is positive, then first it takes maximum and then it takes minimum, like this. First it takes maximum and then it takes minimum value. So, here 1 by a less than 3 by 2a. So at 1 by a it takes maximum value, at 3 by 2a it takes minimum value, and this is, so if you substitute x is equal to 3 by 2a, that is equal to 1 by 2. If we take x is equal to 1 by a and that is equal to 1 by 3, then a is equal to 3. If we substitute a is equal to 3 here, then x is equal to 1 by 2. So, one is 1 by 3 and other one is 1 by 2. Clearly 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. So, f of 1 by 2 is the minimum value. So, f of 1 by 2 should be greater than 0. So, f of 1 by 2 is greater than 0. That implies if you substitute x is equal to 1 by 2 here, then that is 3 by 8 plus b greater than 0. So, b greater than minus 3 by 8. Now, case 2 is a less than 0. If a less than 0, then maximum occurs at x is equal to 3 by 2a and minimum occurs at x is equal to 1 by 2a. But here given that maximum occurs at x is equal to 1 by 3, that means 3 by 2a is equal to 1 by 3. 3 by 2a equal to 1 by 3. So, from this one a is equal to 9 by 2. A is equal to 9 by 2, but a greater than 0, but here our assumption is a less than 0. So, this is not possible, it is contradiction. So, the range of b is minus 3 by 8 to infinity. So, which is b is the correct answer. So, let us go to next one. The function f of x is equal to e power x cos x, where x belongs to, this is the domain of f of x, x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. The slope of the tangent at any point on the curve of the function is minimum at, the slope of the tangent at any point on the curve is minimum at what point the slope of the tangent is minimum. So, slopes of the tangent means here f of x is given, f of x is equal to e power x cos x. Slope of the tangents means that is the f dash x represents slopes of the tangents. So, f dash x is, it is UV method, e power x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of e power x is e power x into cos x. Now, f dash x is equal to e power x cos x minus sin x. This is slopes, but here we have to find minimum value of slopes. So, to find minimum value of this function, find critical points of f dash x is equal to 0. So, to find critical points, let us consider derivative of f dash x, that is f double dash x. If you take this is g of x, then it is g dash x. So, g dash x is again e power x into cos x, UV method, e power x into sin x, again UV method. So, g dash x is equal to e power x into minus sin x minus cos x plus cos x minus sin x. So, if you simplify this one, cos x cancel, minus sin x into minus sin x minus 2 sin x. So, g dash x is equal to minus 2 sin x, g dash x is equal to minus 2 e power sin x. That implies x is equal to, solutions of this one is x is equal to 0, x is equal to pi and x is equal to 2 pi. So, if you take the sign changes of g dash x, so critical points are 0, pi and 2 pi. So, whenever x less than 0, g dash x is positive, whenever x 0 to pi it is negative, pi to 2 pi positive and greater than pi it is negative. So, minimum means minimum of any function, if you take it is at x is equal to a, it is minimum, then in the neighborhood of a, the sign of f dash x is changes from negative to positive. So, if the sign changes from negative to positive, then that is the local minimum, at that point is local minimum. So, at x is equal to pi it changes negative to positive. So, x is equal to pi is the minimum point. So, the next question, the minimum distance of the point on the curve y is equal to x square minus 4 from origin is. So, that means we have to find the minimum distance from origin to this curve. We know that minimum distance is always possible along the common normal, but here one point is given is one point, other one is curve, means the normal at A, if the normal at A is passing through origin, then the distance between O and A can be minimum. The distance between O and A can be minimum. That is not always true, but it can be minimum. So, we have to find minimum distance on the curve y is equal to x square minus 4. So, option A root 15 by 2 and option B root 19 by 2, option D root 15 by 2 and option D root 19 by 2. This is root 15 by 2, root of 19 by 2, root of 15 by 2, root of 19 by 2. Let us take an arbitrary point on y is equal to x square minus 4. Let that point be, if we take x is equal to alpha, then y is equal to alpha square minus 4, then arbitrary point on y is equal to x square minus 4 is alpha comma alpha square minus 4. Now, distance between O and A. Distance between O and A is square root of alpha square plus alpha square minus 4 whole square. Now, let this is the function of alpha. It is function of alpha, let it is equal to d square, and differentiate this with respect to alpha. If you differentiate that with respect to alpha, then d means distance square. So, d square by d alpha is equal to 4 alpha cube minus 14 alpha, which is equal to 0. So, from this one either alpha is equal to 0 or alpha is equal to root 7 by 2 or minus root 7 by 2. And we know that if sign changes from negative to positive, then that is point of minimum, and if it is changes from positive to negative, it is point of maximum. So, minus root 17 by 2 0 and root 17 by 2. So, here d square is positive, d square this values is negative, and then in this interval positive, 0 to root 7 by 2 negative and root 7 by 2 to that one positive. So, here it sign changes from negative to positive, here positive to negative and again negative to positive. So, d square minimum at alpha square, d square minimum at alpha square 7 by 2 is root 15 by 2, that is d square value. Distance is square root of root 15 by 4, which is equal to root 15 by 2 only. So, minimum distance from origin to the curve y is equal to x square minus 4 is root 15 by 2. So, next question. Let x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 1 are the extreme points of f of x equal to a log mod x plus b x mod x plus 2 cos mod pi x by pi, then a minus b is equal to option A minus b is equal to 1 by 2, option B a plus b is equal to 1, and option C a by b is equal to 1 by 2, and option D a by b is equal to 2. So, now this is f of x. If you find f dash x, see derivative of a log mod x, derivative of a log mod x is a by x only. So, f dash x is a by x and bx into mod x, bx into mod x, derivative of bx into mod x is 2b mod x, 2b mod x, and since cos is even function, so cos of mod pi x is same as cos of pi x. So, derivative of cos is minus sign. So, minus 2 sin pi x by pi into pi, pi pi cancel. So, minus 2 sin pi x. This is f dash x. And now, f dash 1 by 2, given that 1 by 2 and 1 are extreme points, means they are critical points. So, f dash 1 by 2 should be equal to 0 and f of 1 is also should be equal to 0. These two are the roots of f dash x is equal to 0. So, f dash 1 by 2 is equal to 0, from that one 2a plus b minus 2 equal to 0. F dash 1 is equal to 0, from that one a plus 2b is equal to 0. So, b is equal to minus 2 by 3. If we solve these two equations, we will get b is equal to minus 2 by 3 and a is equal to 4 by 3. So, b is equal to minus 2 by 3, a is equal to 4 by 3, a minus b is equal to 2. So, option A correct. Now let us go to next question. F of x is equal to tan x plus 1 by x for every x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Here domain of f of x is given 0 to pi by 2 has. So, option A one local maximum and option B one local minimum and option C one local maximum and local minimum and option D is no local maximum or minimum, local minimum. So, this is f of x. Local maximum or local minimum of any function occurs at critical points. So, to find critical points, let us take f dash x. So, f dash x is equal to secant square x minus 1 by x square. So, secant square x minus 1 by x square is secant square x is 1 by cos x, 1 by cos square x minus 1 by x square, because secant x is 1 by cos x. So, if you take LCM x minus cos x into x plus cos x by cos square x plus x square. Since x plus cos x is in this domain is positive, cos square x into x square is also in the domain is positive, and x minus cos x is x minus cos x, this should be equal to 0, that is the only case. So, it is the graph of cos x and it is y is equal to x. So, let their point of intersection be alpha. If alpha less than 0, then x is less than cos x, means it is negative. X less than alpha, it is negative. If x greater than 0, it is positive. If x less than 0, negative, and x greater than 0, it is positive. And here the sign of dy by dx changes from negative to positive. Negative to positive means that is local minimum. At alpha, it takes local minimum. So, f of x has local minimum. So, it has one local minimum. So, option B correct, because it has only one local minimum. In that interval, the point of number of point of intersection of x is equal to cos x is only one, which is alpha. And in the neighborhood of alpha, the sign of f dash x changes negative to positive, means it is local minimum. Let us go to next question. So, which of the following intervals in the function x power 100 plus sin x minus 1 decreasing? Which of the following intervals is the function x power 100 plus sin x minus 1 is decreasing? So, let f of x is equal to x power 100 plus sin x minus 1. Then f dash x is equal to 100 into x power 99 plus cos x. Suppose if you take 0 to pi by 2, in 0 to pi by 2, x power 99 is positive, cos x is also positive. So, f dash x is positive. So, f dash x is positive means f of x is increasing. So, f of x is increasing, because in 0 to pi by 2 f dash x is positive. So, f of x is increasing. And if you take the interval 0 to 1, already in 0 to pi by 2 f dash x is positive. So, now take pi by 2 to 1, let us take in this interval. So, clearly in this interval pi by 2 to 1, 100 x power 99 is greater than 0, cos x is x lies between 0 and 1, this is also greater than 0. So, because 1 is less than 1, since 1 is less than pi by 2, since 1 is less than pi by 2, that means 0 to 1 is subset of 0 to pi by 2. 0 to 1 is subset of 0 to pi by 2. In this interval 0 to pi by 2 f of x is increasing, that means in 0 to 1 is also it is increasing. So, in 0 to pi by 2 and 0 to 1 in both interval f of x is increasing. Now, if you take pi by 2 to pi, if you take pi by 2 to pi, then in pi by 2 to pi 100 x power, because x greater than 1, x greater than 1. So, 100 x power 99 is greater than 100, because x is greater than 1. So, 100 x power 99, this is greater than 100 x power 99 plus cos x. Cos x is always less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to minus 1. So, this total summation is greater than 0. So, that means f dash x is greater than 0 in pi by 2 to pi. That means f of x is increasing in pi by 2 to pi. So, if you check the options, then 0 to pi by 2 f dash x is greater than 0. So, in this interval it is increasing, and 0 to 1 is subset of 0 to pi by 2. So, in 0 to 1 also it is increasing, and pi by 2 to pi f dash x is greater than 0. So, f dash x is greater than 0, that means f of x is increasing in pi by 2 to pi. So, here you have to find the intervals in which f of x is decreasing. In given interval it is increasing. So, here none of this is the right answer. So, the next question, here given y is equal to x cube minus 6 x square plus 9 x plus 1 be an equation of a curve, then x intercept of the tangent to this curve whose slope is least. X intercept of the tangent to this curve whose slope is least. Slope is least. So, y is given x cube minus 9 x minus 6 x square plus 9 x plus 1. So, first find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 3 x square, x cube derivative 3 x square minus 12 x plus 9. So, 3 is the common factor. So, 3 into x square minus 4 x plus 3. So, the roots of x square minus 4 x plus 3 is x is equal to 1 and 2. X is equal to 1 and 2 are roots of this equation. Or if you find the minimum value of dy by dx, minimum value of dy by dx is x square minus 4 x plus 3, x square minus 4 x plus 3 is, we can write x square minus 4 x plus 4 minus 1, just add and subtract 1. Now, x square minus 4 x plus 4 is x minus 2 whole square minus 1. So, this part is x minus 2 whole square minus 1 into 3. So, this is always greater than or equal, this part is always greater than or equal to minus 3. So, minimum value occurs at x is equal to minus 3 1. It is minus 3 and it attains at x is equal to 2. And now, at x is equal to 2, if you substitute x is equal to 2 here, you will get y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, and if you find the equation of tangent, the equation of tangent is, because here slope is equal to minus 3 only, slope is minus 3 and passing through 2 comma 3 and having slope minus 3. Now, equation of line passing through 2 comma 3 and having slope minus 3 is 3x plus y plus 9 is equal to 0, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, slope point form. So, x intercept, in this one to find x intercept, substitute y is equal to 0. If you substitute y is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 9, then x is equal to 3 only. So, intercept, x intercept is 3. So, 3 is the correct answer. Let us go to next one. The minimum distance between the curves y is equal to tan x for every x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, means that is the domain of f of x, and x minus 2 minus pi by 4 whole square plus y square is equal to 1. This represents circle center at 2 plus pi by 4 comma 0. and the radius is equal to 1. It is radius, this is the center. Center is 2 plus pi by 4 and comma 0 and radius is equal to 1. So, find the minimum distance between the curve, one is y is equal to tan x, other one is circle. We know that the minimum distance between two curves is always possible along their common normal. So, along their common normal. So, let us find normal to y is equal to tan x and an arbitrary point. Let us take that point to be h comma tan x. If we take x is equal to h, then y is equal to tan h. So, p is equal to h comma tan h. Then equation of normal to the curve y is equal to tan x at p h comma tan h is y minus tan h. Y minus y1 is equal to slope. Slope is minus 1 by secant square x into x minus h. Since this is the normal of y is equal to tan x and the minimum distance is along this common normal, means it is also normal to this circle x minus 2 minus pi by 4 whole square plus y square is equal to 1. That means this line is passing through 2 plus pi by 4 comma 0. If you substitute 2 plus pi by 4 comma 0 in this equation, then we will get tan h into secant square h is equal to 2 plus pi by 4 minus h. So, that means h is equal to pi by 4 is the solution. H is equal to pi by 4 is the solution. Then minimum distance is equal to distance between, if you find corresponding point x is equal to pi by 4, then that corresponding point is pi by 4 comma 1 and center of the circle is 2 plus pi by 4 comma 0. So, distance between these 2 points minus 0, that is the minimum distance, minus 1. Then distance between pi by 4 comma 1 and 2 plus pi by 4 comma 1 is root 5 and minus 1, that is the radius. So, root 5 minus 1 is the minimum distance between y is equal to tan x and x minus 2 minus pi by 4 whole square plus y square is equal to 1. So, option B which is correct. Thank you.